Hello everyone, I am Kanika here and I am working as a legal intern at lexlip.com. So I am here to explain you about right to education. So not coming to the gist but going vaguely, what do you mean by right to education? Now everybody needs education, it's important. So I'll tell you everything about right to education in India here. So education is very important. However, not everyone can afford, but India has made some legal laws so that everyone should get education, and literally basic education will give a person to stand in the society or environment. So coming here, right to education is a fundamental right given in Article 21A of Indian Constitution. Now going to the definition further, I'll explain you what is it. It is a process which converts a beast into man, a method to know a specific subject or topic or situation. In a society, educated person receives more respect than the uneducated. At the same time, it does not deny uneducated are worthless. Uneducated are not worthless, but educated gains more respect. Slowly, everyone gets knowledge from Ramayana, Mahabharata, Manusmriti also. But after some centuries, education system was raised to a good level. Comparing to old age education was developed at the same time, does not reach a high level. That was a basic education, but now it has reached a high level. It may achieve its final stage in few decades with a proper management. We all know proper management is not given in India. So what we studied, what our grandparents, parents, grandparents studied was other thing. But today, as our generation, the 21st century, has studied the different things. We all know that. So if we come to something like what is the news? India is a landmark right to education. It completes it differentially. Further, renewed focusing on skilling and higher education. We think sometimes every people says practical thing is important, knowledge. They compare both the things, but both have different aspects. Practical is different, knowledge is different, and both things are important. So, what gives the right to education? What the Act says? It says that India provide free education to children, 2009 Act, and enforce the fundamental right in 2021. It serves as a building block to ensure every child has his right to get a quality elementary education. What is the background of this constitution background? What was the behind it? Originally in Part 4 of the Constitution, Directive Principles and DPSP had provision for state funded as an equitable accession to education. In the first document on right to education was Ramurthy Committee report in 1990. As there was other judgments. This was all constitution background. I was given gist. We'll come to the main point: the features, the limitations, the importance, the conclusion in the end. So features. It aims to provide primary education to all children aged 6 to 14. And it is the age where the person understands everything. It confers education as a fundamental right. It mandates 25% reservation of disadvantaged section of the society where disadvantaged groups include. We very well know in the colleges, in the school, there is reservation made for the people. So these reservations are from SCs, STs, social caste, scheduled types, socially backward classes, differently able. And general have no, they have other seats. It also makes provision for non-admitted child to admit to the age appropriate class. Like if a person wants to study from 6th, so he will be promoted to 6th. He will be admitted to 6th. It also states that sharing financial responsibility between the central and state governments. If they are giving the law, they are held the financial responsibilities of the person. It lays down the norms and related to public tutor, ratios, building infrastructure, school working days, teacher working hours. And it is also clause that there is no detention policy. No one can remove the right under children to free education. This amendment, no one can remove the child. It also provides provision of deployment of teachers, non-education work, and other essential census, election to local authority, state legislature, parliament, disaster relief. These are some things which provide provision to deployment of the teachers for, like, these things is prohibited because person below age 18 cannot work, and India most of their child labor. This is very wrong. Do you think is it right? Child labor is right? No. We ourselves see in our everyday life there are many child labor. Some of our houses also have. So that's wrong. We should not allow them to work because we ourselves are studying and they are doing our work. That's very wrong. It provides the appointment of teachers with the requisite entry and academic qualification. It prohibits something. It prohibits also, like it prohibits the physical punishment. Like no person can beat, mental harassment, no can mental torture, capitation feat, running of school without recognition, no can go without the sign of the school, private tuition teachers, screening procedure, admission of children, like many things. It focuses on making child free of fear. वो डर का काम ना करना पड़े उन्हें. ट्रॉमा एंग्जाइटी थ्रू सिस्टम ऑफ चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली एंड चाइल्ड सेंटर लर्निंग. उनको कंफर्टेबल लगे बच्चों को, उनको ऊंच नीच ना महसूस हो. देयर आर सम लिमिटेशन ऑल्सो. एज फॉर विच right education available ranges from 6 to 14 years of only, which can be made students compassing spanning 0 to 18 years. उसको आगे फर्दर बढ़ना चाहिए. लिमिटेशन है. देयर इज़ नो फोकस, नो क्वालिटी ऑफ लर्निंग. आई शोड इन ASR report and mostly oriented. It have been changed a little, like, and many more things. More focus being on over statistics of right education rather than the quality of learning. They are mentioning statistics. They are not focusing on quality of learning. Lack of teachers affect pupil-teacher ratio mandate by teacher, which in turn affect the quality of teaching. They are टीचर्स कम है तो दिक्कत आती है टीचिंग में, बच्चों को थोड़ा पढ़ाने में. अब क्या उनको चेंज करना चाहिए. माइनॉरिटी रिलीजियस स्कूल नीड टू बी बॉट अंडर राइट एजुकेशन. जो माइनॉरिटी रिलीजियस स्कूल्स हैं जहाँ रिलीजन पढ़ाया जाता है उनको राइट एजुकेशन अंदर आना चाहिए. ये सब स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए. मोर फोकस ऑन टीचर प्रोग्राम. टीचर को ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम को उनको ढंग से ट्रेन करना चाहिए कि उनको बच्चों को क्या मतलब अच्छा करते हैं पर और अच्छा कि उनको सेटिस्फाई हो. क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन शुड बी इंक्लूड. क्वांटिटी नहीं देखनी, क्वालिटी देखनी है. स्टेप शुड बी टेकन टू मेक द टीचिंग प्रोफेशन अट्रैक्टिव. कुछ ऐसा डेवलप करना है कि आप बच्चों को भी अच्छा लगे, टीचर्स को भी मज़ा आए. सोसाइटी एज अ होल नीड्स टू बी सपोर्टिव एजुकेशन फॉर चिल्ड्रन विदाउट द बायसेस. बायस नहीं होना चाहिए कि अच्छा ये नहीं, क्वालिटी क्वांटिटी बोथ मैटर. सो बच्चों का टैलेंट परफॉर्मेंस सब देखना चाहिए कि अच्छा वो नहीं. एंड टैलेंट ऑल्सो मैटर. टैलेंट ऑल्सो नीड नॉलेज. बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट. Like there is no talent without knowledge and there is no knowledge without talent. So both are important. If someone plays a sport, he has to know about the sport. Knowledge is important. That is also education. The talent is he's playing sport. But what is the knowledge? The knowledge that he is knowing the sport. What sports he is playing, what team members, everything the questions allowed in the sport. So that is also necessary. We all know education is important, so I here conclude my topic and I hope you all understand the topic. Thank you so much.